Dear customer, welcome to the IGS SMARTGard video report from the inspection of your CFB boiler. On the right side, you may see the 3D model of the boiler. Finding 1. High erosion of the thermal spray cladding of the front wall behind reheat pipe panel number 4, found at a height of 14.39 meters. Recommendation: construction of scaffolding on both sides of the panel and immediate repair of the thermal spraying coating. Erosion of the thermal spray cladding of the front wall under the reheat pipe panel number 4, found at a height of 11.75 meters. Recommendation: construction of scaffolding at the site of finding and control of residual coating thickness. Sharp edge appeared after the cladding repair on the reheat pipe panel number 5 at a height of 16.44 meters. Recommendation: local repair, smoothing sharp edges by blasting and reapplying the SMARTGard thermal spray cladding, including the top ceramic layer. Thank you for using IGS SMARTGard services for visual inspections.